Monday morning. The worst time of the week? Market Outlook 2026, 50 pages. New regulations, 100 pages. Do you really read all of this? I used to. I grabbed a highlighter and spent 3 days reading until my eyes hurt. But by the time I finished, the market had already changed. Now I don't read. I let my AI read for me. If you are a boss, your job is not to read. Your job is to decide. Here is how I analyze a 50-page report in 30 seconds. Don't just say, summarize this. That's for amateurs. Ask this instead. Based on this report, will the price rise or fall next month? What are the top 2 risks? Should I buy inventory now or wait? Look at the answer. Price will rise 5%. Recommendation, buy now. Boom! Done. I saved 3 days of work and made the right decision instantly. Stop hurting your eyes. Start using AI as your briefing secretary. I uploaded this Analyst Prompt on my blog. Link is in the description. Copy it now.